Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another product review. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and a little bit of a review of the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. So this is the box it came in. A little bit of information on the back there. Not a whole lot to really look at. So I don't know, fair notice, I guess. I've actually already opened this, done the setup for it. So if you go out and you buy one of these, it's not going to be like this straight out of the box. That's what it looks like. Bam. So in the box, you got the phone. It's got, I don't really know, I guess that's 5 cameras. All 5 of those are cameras. This one I'm kind of impressed with. And excuse my finger there, I heard it recently. This one right here, I think that might be the one that can do up to 100x zoom. I'll show you a couple of pictures that I took earlier to... Oh, there I am. Hi. And then it's got this... Oh man, my hair's all messed up. It's got this camera right here for forward facing. It does not have an SD card slot. That is like one of the bad things about the new Galaxies. It takes a I'm sorry, I'm drawing a blank here. SIM card there, and then it uses the Type-C USB cable. This one's got a little pen comes out. Kind of cool. I haven't really done much with it. Oh, hey, look. I didn't know this. Oh, wow. That's actually pretty cool. And that's what it looks like on startup. Put the pen back in. I think it might have a fingerprint reader on it. It does have the facial recognition to unlock it. I'm not sure if you could see how good the quality is just by looking at this, but quality's pretty up there. In the box there, not really much else. It does not include a charger box, I guess you can call it. It's got one of those guys to pop out the not SD card, but the SIM card. Comes standard with it. It does come with a USB Type-C cable on both ends there for charging. And then a quick start guide and terms and conditions, I guess. We're not too interested in that though. We can go back to the camera real quick. So these are going to be pretty much the same pictures, just zoomed in. So here's a picture I took on my patio real quick, looking towards a hill. There's that same hill. These are the trees on that hill. And I mean, look at that. Look how far it zooms in. You can barely even see the trees in this picture. I thought that was pretty freaking good. What else? I'm not really sure about all the features yet. Uh, but I don't know. It has like the standard Play Store stuff or all the Android things. I noticed it has Microsoft on it, preloaded. I go with T-Mobile, and there's a like spam guard, scam shield thing, which is actually really nice. Uh, I'll, I'll get like 100 calls in a day sometimes, something ridiculous, and most of it's just spam, and that will block it out. I'm not really sure there's much else to say about this right now. I could update you guys later on after I find more features with it. I'm probably actually going to start recording with this instead. The camera quality is awesome, so I'll probably be doing that. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.